Welcome to Spitzer Nissan Findlay, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with rain-sensitive windshield wipers, power front seats with driver memory seat, sport line, wood console insert, wood door panel insert, leather steering wheel with auto tilt-away, wood dashboard insert, keyless entry, garage door transmitter, anti-theft AM/FM HD stereo with CD and MP3 player, and much more. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests, and we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Nissan Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.